Welcome back. Okay, so this is kind of where we left things last time. So we're going to take it from here. Now I want you to first take a look at this. Every time I refresh the page, I'm refreshing continuously, and notice that I get a line, because it's random, right? The initial weights of the Perceptron are random. So then we started adding, so there's blue, right? Red. Now that line is not going to do anything unless I cross it with the wrong color. So I'm going to do red there. Okay. And then I'm going to do blue, but in line with the blues. And I'm going to do red in line with the red and blue. So notice that it is getting slightly better. I don't know if you could tell that. Okay, it is improving. Now, what we did in our last video is we had the Chat GPT add some logging or debugging statements for us. So we're going to show you that now. So we got to go to more tools. Let's go up here. More tools. And then web developer tools. And there it is. This is all of the debugging, right? So we're going to scroll to the top. And we don't even have to honestly look at it ourselves. We could just grab it and copy it. Now, there's a limit to the amount of input that you can give to these AI tools, but we're hopefully going to be okay. And then we go to ChatGPT. Once I paste it, I like to do this at the bottom. Do you see all this? And that way, if it says yes, then I know that it got the complete input. So ChatGPT came back with several suggestions of things we could do, but right now what I wanted to focus on is the programming part, specifically the debugging. In the last video, we got Chat to give us code that we added that creates this right here. Without that debugging code, the console log from last video, if you remember, we would not see any of this, and then Chat could not help us. So we're going to take the suggestions. I'm going to very quickly review what it says. So what would make it behave the way you expect or want? A smaller learning rate. We can take a look at that one. Here's the one I chose. Multiple passes over all points. Okay. And even number 3. So let's start with number 2, right? And we're going to ask it to give us the full file back. Okay, we're going to get ready to paste this to ChatGPT. So there's the current code, right? And at the bottom, I did this. We need the above full file back. I could have done that differently. Who cares? Exactly as is, with the only change being your number 2 suggestion, multiple passes over all points. Again, we pulled up meld file compare. This is our version. This is the latest version over here. Let's scroll down and see what we were given. Okay, only change multiple passes over all points. And the files are now equal, so I'm going to save that. And we're going to pull this up again. And let's refresh. Okay, blue. Okay, maybe I should do red. I'll tell you what, I like the fact that it's over here. Red. Okay. Red. 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 Blue. Blue. Okay, blue. It's working pretty good. This is much better. So if you'll notice, the whole point of this Perceptron is to classify. And when it is working, it correctly classifies that, hey, blue is on this side and red is on that side. Now this has gotten much better. There's not even a line on here, right? Because of the random weights. We'll just pick something here, blue. Okay. Let's do red over here. Let's do blue. Let's do blue. blue, red, 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 blue, 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 red, blue, red. Okay. Blue. And let's see here. So, but anyway, you can see that it's working a lot better. So that's the whole point. It's pretty much correctly classifying. Blue's all on one side of the line, red is on the other side of the line.